Ensuring order accuracy is crucial for customer satisfaction and reducing shipping errors. That's where Ordoro's barcode packing workflow comes in. It helps verify items before they are shipped so you can pack orders with confidence. There are two ways to start the workflow. You can either pre-select multiple orders and work through them one by one, or you can enter the barcode packing workflow and scan the barcodes on packing slips printed from Ordoro to automatically pull up orders. Once an order is displayed, scan the barcodes of each item inside the package. If the barcode matches the order, the unit count will update. If the scan doesn't match, you'll receive an error alerting you to the issue so it can be corrected. After verifying all items, mark the order as contents verified. This confirms that everything in the order has been packed correctly. Now, you can create and print a shipping label directly from the workflow. Once printed, move on to the next order and repeat the process to keep fulfillment accurate and efficient. With barcode packing, you can cut down on packing mistakes, save time, and ensure your customers receive exactly what they ordered every single time.